Hi YouTube, just a little video just explaining how I cleared the front drain holes on the Frunk in my Porsche 997. I noticed the last time I washed the vehicle that there was a collection of soap suds in and around the battery tray, so I thought maybe the 4 drain holes at the front may be blocked, and that's exactly what I found. The drains, so you know, are located where the battery tray is. Obviously I removed all the covering panels for the battery. You've got one drain hole which is very well hidden. Just trying to pick it up with a torch. Can't really see. Right at the back. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Right underneath at the back there. There you go, you can just see it. That was full of muck. Had to be hoovered out. The other one is down here. As you can see, completely empty now. There's just a plastic liner with a bit of a flap inside that was just full of muck. I had to get a bit of hose attached to a vacuum cleaner just to suck all the muck out. Seemed to do a reasonable job. They're nice and clear now. Haven't tested them yet, but hopefully there'll be no more leaks, no more blockages I should say. And then on this side, on the driver's side in the UK, you've got one hole which is right at the back. Again, quite awkward to get to see. Just down through there. And again, that took a bit of a struggle to get to clear it out. And the other one is a little bit further back, near the front liner itself. Let's see if we can see it, just down there. The light's not very good in here, unfortunately. I'm very sorry, but you can kind of see it's hidden. There we go, that's a little bit better. And again, vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment on the end, just to poke down in there, clear out all the muck. So hopefully the blockages will be no more. I'll let you know later on once I've tested it. Hopefully somebody will find this useful. Okay, see you soon. Cheers.